China Camc Engineering Company Limited, Camc, an affiliate to China National Machinery Industry Corporation, has been listed on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange since 2006. The core business of Camc includes EPC contracting, domestic and overseas investment and trade, with a couple of subsidiary companies in China and over 40 branches, subsidiaries and representative offices abroad. Camc is represented all over the world. Relying on Camc's top professional teams, outstanding project management capability, and excellent integration and financing resources, Camc has built a strong brand influence. Camc has long-term and stable relationships with domestic and overseas strategic partners and has close collaboration with many financial institutions and insurance companies, which secure a stable, continuous, and rapid expansion of its core business. Camc has established a development strategy of 1 pillar, 2 markets, and 3 linkages, committed to providing clients with whole industrial chain one-stop services and entire value chain package services. Camc has established its own survey and design platform, represented by Camc WHU Design and Research Company Limited, and has built a project management system and information platform with self-owned intellectual property. As of today, Camc has completed over 100 large turnkey projects and equipment exports, covering industrial projects, agricultural projects, water engineering projects, power projects, communications, petrochemical projects, and mining engineering projects. In the industrial projects area, Camc has constructed the Tilloa Shipyard project, the largest and most modern shipyard in Myanmar today. The design and construction of its 5,000-ton vertical shiplifting equipment have reached leading international levels. Camc has contracted the pulp plant project with 400,000-ton annual capacity in Belarus and has built cement plants in Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Chad, and Turkey. Tire plants, glass plants, and textile factories in Myanmar. Camc has also contracted the Farm and Sideline Product Processing Equipment Manufacturer Industrial Park project in Venezuela. In the agricultural projects area, Camc has undertaken irrigation projects in Sudan, Venezuela, and the Philippines, sugar mill projects in Indonesia, Myanmar, Vietnam, and Bolivia, farm and grain storage projects in Angola and Zambia, and agricultural machinery and agro-industry projects in Mozambique. Camc has exported a large number of agricultural machinery to Zimbabwe, Venezuela, Cuba, and Laos. In the water engineering projects area, Camc has constructed water transmission projects and integrated dredging projects in Venezuela and water supply and pumping station projects in Sudan and Bangladesh. In the power projects area, Camc has undertaken the El Vigaya 570 megawatt combined cycle power plant and associated transmission line project in Venezuela, which has made magnificent contributions to local power structural reform. In Ethiopia, Camc has completed the 400 kV substation and power transmission line project, as well as in Kenya and Cuba, the Power Distribution System Modernization and Strengthening Project and Subsidization Project, and the Hydropower Project in Mongolia. In the communications area, Camc has built over 100 bridges in Myanmar, including the Mandalay Bridge and the Ayeyarwady Bridge. Camc has undertaken the Luang Prabang International Airport project and the Watay International Airport project in Laos, the Fishport Complex Expansion Improvement project in the Philippines, and road construction projects in Zambia and Bangladesh. In the petrochemical projects area, Camc has contracted an oil distribution plant project in Nicaragua. and an oil rig supply project in Bolivia. In the mining engineering area, Camc has entered into the Canadian mining engineering market by participating in the operation of the Golden Band Gold Mine and the construction of the potash mines in Saskatchewan, Canada. In addition, Camc has contracted the construction of a concentration plant in Iran. In other areas, Camc has contracted the Infrastructure Improvement Project in Mongolia, the National Security System of Command and Control Project in Ecuador, and the Housing Project in Angola. While boosting and strengthening the EPC contracting business, Camc also takes efforts in comprehensive regional development and mineral resource exploration and investment to promote business transformation and upgrading. The Vientiane New World (VNW) project in Laos is the first regional development project invested by Camc. The 50 Assam villas, the first phase of VNW, were used as official residences of the 9th Assam Summit and received presidents, heads of government, and senior officers from 46 countries during the summit, which has significantly encouraged Camc's long-term development. The Long Prabang Anatara Resorts and Spa project in Laos is filling the gap of the locality in accommodating large meetings and groups. The Procon Holdings Alberta Incorporated, controlled by Camc, is one of the 6 major mining engineering service providers in Canada. It helps Camc successfully enter into the mining engineering field and North American market. It further stimulates the development of Camc's business in EPC contracting, investment, and trade. The China-Belarus Industrial Park, being constructed by Camc in Belarus, will help Chinese companies go abroad and contribute to economic and social development of Belarus. Camc has invested and built 2 sewage treatment plants in Chengdu and Pizhou through BOT. The plants have solved the household sewage treatment problems and improved the local environment. Camc has acquired Beijing Wotier Water Technology Company Limited, which owns the world-leading water treatment core technology and is dedicated to becoming a global sewage treatment innovator. Camc's trade business focuses on bulk resource products with the development philosophy of serving the engineering and investment businesses. With its commitment to social responsibility, Camc has actively taken part in charity and social welfare projects. By creating substantial job opportunities and improving living standards, Camc has promoted the local long-term economic development and enhanced its reputation in the international community. Pursuing the core values of dedication, honesty, persistence, and innovation. Camc strives to fulfill its mission to deliver the value of China engineering and its vision to be an international, outstanding engineering contractor. Camc endeavors to be a bridge of friendship and a road to development in the host countries and perform the Chinese brand in the international market.